Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today, especially when you factor in that the price originally gapped up, and then after the gap up, just basically bled the remainder of the day, and down it went. But it's not like the entire chart's destroyed. But yes, individually, if you're just looking at today, definitely could have been a whole lot better of a day, and updates need to be done here. And really the dynamic here that I'm very curious about, and I'm sure there's lots of other people that are drawing this trend line in place, but is this trend line going to represent more of a kind of solid area of selling pressure? Meaning, not that the price is going to crash, but is the price going to be able to get back above that area, which the sooner the better? Or is this just going to represent kind of a slow, methodical push back downwards, where this current upwards bounce is now going to need to pull back, more than what it already has? So let me be very clear. Just because there's been this downtrending trend line here that's formed over the past couple of days does not mean that a bigger pullback needs to happen. My point is, it's at least a valid thought that, yeah, you know what, maybe something like this is now going to play out, because it's become very clear that over essentially the past day and a half, selling pressure has shown up. So it just becomes a question of, yeah, but how strong is this selling pressure going to be? And the first sign of, the strength or lack thereof is, well, let's see how the price behaves down here around 1915. Meaning, if the price comes down there and then just blasts down through there, all right, at that point, this selling pressure here apparently would have some pretty strong momentum behind it. But if the price comes down here, holds strong, that would, not guarantee, but suggest that, all right, maybe the selling pressure isn't as bad as what it appears. So definitely keep an eye on those two dynamics moving forward. But that's really as straightforward as it is. I mean, there's no need to drag things out. Key area of resistance is going to be that trend line. Key area of support down there at 1915. So let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.